What to do when the Frontier Airlines application is not loading or it's constantly crashing. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to have internet connection. And if your Wi-Fi is working fine but your app is still not loading, you want to simply go to your settings, tap on General and click on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Frontier Airlines application. Here's our Frontier application. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any crashing problems. However, if the problem still comes up, you can simply delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. And if that doesn't work either, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.